Introducing matanghipon, Brenia vitis idea of the family Phyllantaceae. Matanghipon is a shrub or small-sized tree from the Bignae family. It is widely distributed throughout the country and typically thrives in edges and clearings within evergreen forest, swamp forest, mangrove areas, bamboo thickets, along rivers and roads, and near seashores at elevations ranging from low to medium. A bark decoction of matanghipon can be used as an astringent and to prevent hemorrhoids. In other countries, a decoction of the leaves is given as a bath after childbirth. The small rounded reddish-orange fruits of matanghipon are a favorite diet of birds. Matanghipon plays a vital role in its ecosystem. As a flowering plant, it provides essential nectar and pollen for pollinators, including bees and butterflies. The fruit serves as a food source for various birds and small mammals, thereby contributing to the biodiversity of their habitats. Furthermore, its root system helps stabilize soil and prevent erosion, demonstrating its importance in maintaining ecological balance.